We are tracking the tropics this morning. There was a hurricane that made landfall down in Cuba, now downgraded to a tropical storm.
Yeah, but it's moving so slow and it's dumping a whole lot of rain. Let's get to meteorologist Cam Tran now with an update.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's going to bring so much rainfall to Cuba. We could see flash flooding and landslides being huge concerns. Here's a look at the latest on Oscar. It made landfall over in Cuba last night, but it's still sitting on the eastern tip of Cuba, moving at a snail's pace at just 2 miles per hour. Winds of 50 miles per hour now. Eventually, this will lift north away from Cuba tonight and then make its trek towards Bahamas again. So here's a look around late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It'll finally lift away and then eventually move over the Bahamas and then back out over into the open ocean waters of the Atlantic. Oscar is the only area of disturbance we're tracking in the Atlantic for now. But as we head into the early month of November, the first week of November, we're watching this area here in the Caribbean Sea as an area of interest for possibly more systems to develop. Back to you guys.